So how do you access WhatsApp on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Actually, the best way to access it is to get the official WhatsApp app from the App Store. It hasn't been the case very long, but now the WhatsApp is officially available for the iPad, right? So they just, fully support it now. So you can make sure you get it from the App Store like that, and it's gonna work on this. But when you open it up for the first time, it's not gonna let you just sign in with your phone number or the way you would do it on your phone. And instead, it's gonna give you this QR code. And the way that it works is that you need to set up the connection through the iPhone. So on your phone, perhaps it might be the Android phone, whatever, but you go to the WhatsApp and click on the settings in the bottom right. So you just set up the different things in here, but I want you to go to the linked devices section. In there, click on a link device and it's going to access the camera. So from the phone, you'll be able to scan the QR code, which appears on the iPad. That's how it gets connected. It will likely take a second to load up and set up the connection, but then your iPad will be like an extension of your regular WhatsApp. So you'll be able to perform all of the calls and all of the things you need to do can be done from the iPad, right? So it just works exactly the same way. Even though you cannot set it up on its own, it has to be like a linked device to your phone, but it does the thing that you would expect it to. So let me know if you managed to set it up. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos.